Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S80. In this video I'll tell you which engine is best. Best overall is 2.5 D5 5-cylinder diesel, strong torque, proven reliability and real-world fuel use around 6.5 liter for 100 kilometers. Best petrol is 3.2 incline 6. Smooth and quiet, but expect 10 to 11 liters for 100 km. Avoid 1.6 drive diesel unless fuel economy is your only concern. It's underpowered for the car's size. The 2.5 turbo petrol is also solid, especially for tuning enthusiasts, but it requires good service history and premium fuel. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.